There are lots of options out there, but I think the connection for me between IDEXX and ezyVet is actually really what secured it for me.
I mean, they literally have to do almost nothing. You know, it integrates with Vet Connect. Our doctors are alerted just by memo that they have results pending, and that ezyVet is also taking those results and automatically throwing it into the clinical record. I mean, that saves bukus, tons of time for our lab technicians.
There's that seamless integration between your diagnostics, your imaging, your in-house lab. It all works together. And then you also have that single rep that you're working with that helps with any problems that arise.
My personal favorite IDEXX and ezyVet integration is the radiographs part with WebPACS. There was a time where taking x-rays was a big ordeal, but now I'm finding more often than not in that same appointment slot, get the x-rays done, then I'm able to quickly pull the x-rays up onto the ezyVet screen for the pet parent and go over those findings with them. It's a really smooth, seamless process that has become very quick.
We spent easily 40+ hours a week just making confirmation calls for appointments, and that has since gone away. With the automated confirmations for appointments through text message, it's made our lives much easier. I think it's made the client experience much smoother. I would say the savings there are easily $100,000, a year.
One of the ways that we integrate ezyVet in our system that makes us perhaps different to other practices is how we integrate the AI system, particularly things like scribing tools. And as time is developing, ezyVet are starting to implement some of those directly into the system, as well as the ability to combine that with other third-party applications. And it makes our workflow much smoother because we can then spend less time doing admin and more time actually giving clinical care to patients.
Velo brings everything basically together, but it adds another layer of client communication that is just amazing. Our diagnostic revenue for wellness care is up 47%, and I would tell you that a lot of that is because people are bringing in fecal samples, and I know that sounds crazy, but it's true.
Clients are actually scheduling appointments, and that was my first big wow. I love this. Can we get more of them to do this? This will save me a lot of time, being on the phone.
Absolutely, the revenue's increased since using IDEXX and ezyVet and Velo. Everything's kind of combined into a group and has just accelerated our growth and is making everything easier in the long run.
Client visits are up, our client compliance is up, our revenues are up. We don't have to work as hard. It is wonderful, and we're just really enjoying everything that Velo has done for us.
The cost-benefit analysis that we ran showed that the time savings that we would have associated with that increased expense for ezyVet more than paid for itself in the time savings and would allow us to see more patients without creating additional stress for our doctors or our team.
IDEXX and Mary in particular give us such incredible support. We couldn't imagine anything better than having a new software program with an old friend.